the coolest parts about newer toilet seats is you can release them and pop them off for easy cleaning. Put them back on and lock them down, and now they look normal. Most new toilet seats, you can just pop these caps off the back, you can slide it forward and clean around it. Makes it a lot easier. So we just wrapped up with our first call of the day, putting in that toilet for our customer, and now we're going to go to another call where it looks like the customer wants us to put in a couple of faucets. Come along with us and we'll see how that one turns out.
Outside my window, is everything pale and cold? Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been ringing all day long. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining, so be patient with me. I'll be right. Somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue. Can't do nothing else than doing nothing.
All right, we're done with one.
Inside my room, the heat's like a warm embrace. My bed feels like
We've arrived at our next call, and it is a water heater that's not wanting to work very well.